Hi guys, it's Shannon from Twisted Mind by Seaver, and today I am going to show you how to sublimate on a coffee mug in your convection oven. So let me get all the supplies together and we'll get right to it. So first off, you have the mug. You have to make sure that it is a sublimation mug. You can't just go to any store and get a white mug to sublimate on. It actually has to say sublimation mug. I got this one, I think from Amazon, if I remember right. It's been a while. So first and foremost, you need the mug. Now you need the design you're going to use. I'm going to use this design of the Coco Pelli from the Heart Supplies. You can get this there. I love Coco Pelli, so I'm really excited to use this one. You also will need some heat-resistant tape. You can also get this from the Heart Supplies. This nifty little holder I got at Amazon. I'll provide a link for that too. You're going to need a strip of butcher paper. Again, you can get through Amazon. I'll leave a link. And a mug wrap, silicone mug wrap. You'll also need some scissors. And hopefully, I'm famous for always forgetting something halfway through the video. Hopefully, that's all the supplies we're going to be using. I'll be right back and we'll get started on this. So, first thing we did was cut down our design. Cut off all the extra paper around it. And we're going to fit it to our mug. So, you want to put the design facing this way onto your mug. Okay, let me see if I can't zoom out a little bit here. All right, so this is always tricky for me. So, let's see. Start it right there and put a little bit of tape right there. Oops. Hopefully I'm still on the camera. Okay, so you're going to take it and you're going to firmly pull, but you don't want to rip it. So be careful, because I've done that too. And you also don't want to wrinkle it. So you're going to pull it over to here. Let me see. Let me take this tape off. It's going to be uneven for me, and that's going to drive me OCD crazy. So let's see. Okay, that's better. There we go. All right, so let me rewrap on this here. Make sure that it is as tight as you can get it. Don't wrinkle it. Try not to wrinkle it. Try not to rip it. Put some more tape there. I'm going to put a tiny little bit of tape here at the top. And probably a little bit of tape at the bottom. My biggest problem is I generally over tape everything. So let me finish taping this up and then we'll be back. So I have finished taping it. Got tape there and at the top and at the bottom. Now you're going to take your butcher paper and you're going to put it on top of your image. Now, the reason why you're going to do that, here, let me trim it up just a little bit. It's a little long. The reason why you're going to do that is because if you don't, you will imprint onto your silicone wrap. And you don't really want to do that. I can't tell you how many I accidentally did that too. For real, like a ton. Okay, so hopefully I'm in the screen here. So we're going to do with this, just like we did the image. You're just going to tape this on. You don't have to worry about it being like super tight as like we did the image, because we're also going to put this on. All right, let me trim this up a little bit and then I'll be back to put on the silicone mug wrap. Okay, so now we are ready for the silicone mug wrap. You're going to have it sitting like this. Okay. Not going to lie, this part always freaks me out a little bit. You're going to put that through there. And you're going to bring this up. And you're going to bring it up through there. Up like that. Oops. Let me get this. Make sure it's centered on there, because you want the mug wrap to be covering all of the white part of the mug. Okay. So let me get that better there, right? Does that work? Let's see. Okay. So, you lift that up, and you're going to put that through there like that. And then you're going to squeeze until it latches. I always have a semi-panic attack that mug's going to shatter. I haven't had that happen, but I'm going to, I'm going to say, please be careful, because you are putting a lot of force on there. Okay? So here we go. Now, I don't know if I can really move this around here. Let me see if I can. So bear with me one sec, and I will be right back. Okay, so there was a few things that I had forgotten to show you. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this into a convection oven on the turbo setting at 350 for 6 minutes. Okay. Now my dial on my oven is a just a dial. It's not digital. So I always use this from the Heart Supplies, and that's what I always use. Also, I'm going to be laying this just right into the oven, right on the rack, just like this. I think it cooks better, in my opinion. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to throw it in there, and we're going to cross our fingers and hope for a good image printout. Be right back. Okay, y'all, it is almost done cooking. The little timer is going to go. I say cooking, and well, I guess heating up. Timer's going to go off here in about 5 seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and pull it out and let it cool. There we go. One thing I did forget to mention, because I always do, is my heat gloves, my heat-resistant gloves. I got these off of Amazon, and they are amazing for pulling things out of your oven without burning your hands. So we will be right back after it cools so we can reveal the image. All right, so it is cool enough to to look at, but the metal on the silicone wrap is too warm still, so I'm going to use the gloves to take the wrap off, and then everything should be fine. Okay, so you're going to take it off just like you put it on. You're going to squeeze it, lift that up, and out it comes. All right. Okay, so, whoops, got it upside down. Okay, so now we're going to take the gloves off. We're going to peel this away, and let's hope for the best, yeah? All right, here we go. Oh, top part's looking good, huh? Ooh, still a little warm, but not bad. Okay. Everything off here. Come on now. I am queen of the tape. I tell you what. That's some good tape that Rhonda has from the Heart Supplies, let me tell you. Okay, so here we go, here we go. There's the butcher paper off, yeah? And let's get this off. All right, well, so you don't have to see me struggling with my tape because I didn't put it on right. That's all on me. I'm going to go ahead and peel the tape off, and then we'll come back for the review. Okay, so here we go. Let me get the rest of that off of there. And here's our mug. Now, it's a little faded right here at the bottom. I'm not sure why that is. It might not have gotten too tight right there. But I kind of like it. I think it turned out really well for the most part. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Like I said, Cocopelli is one of my favorite designs. So, all right. So there you have it. This is how you do a heat sublimation on a heat sublimation mug in a convection. Man, say that 15 times fast. Convection oven. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Um, like, share, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And we will be back with some more polymer clay and sublimations. Thanks. Bye.